The Samsung District of Columbia 3 error code on a washing machine indicates a door open error, meaning the machine senses the door isn't securely shut during a cycle. This error typically occurs due to improper latching of the door or problems with the door lock mechanism, interrupting the washing cycle and halting machine operation until the door is closed firmly. Common causes of this error include improper door closure, a faulty door lock mechanism, obstructions or debris, and wiring or control board issues. Improper door closure can trigger the error if the door is not closed or latched securely. A malfunctioning door lock mechanism, which can be due to wear and tear, damage, or electronic malfunction, can also result in an error. Additionally, debris or foreign objects may obstruct the door or door seal, preventing it from closing securely and triggering the error. Faulty wiring connections or problems with the control board can also lead to this error, often caused by electrical faults, loose connections, or component failures. To fix the error, ensure proper door closure by closing the door securely and latching it well before starting the washing cycle. Inspect the door lock mechanism for any issues, such as a malfunctioning lock or sensor, and clean the lock and surrounding area to remove any debris or obstructions. Clear any obstructions that may block the door or door seal, preventing it from closing securely. Check the wiring connections and control board for any faults or damage, ensuring all connections are secure and free from corrosion, and replace any damaged components if necessary. If the error persists after trying these troubleshooting methods, restart the washing machine by turning it off, unplugging it from the power outlet for a few minutes, and then plugging it back in and restarting the cycle. If the issue still persists, it may be necessary to contact a skilled technician or customer support for further assistance.